Have you ever looked at a picture of yourself and felt a jolt of shock? That moment when you realize that the person in the photograph is unrecognizable to the one you see in the mirror every day. 2 years ago, I found myself in that exact situation. I weighed 84 kilograms, struggling with my weight since childhood. It was at a family party, captured in a single photograph, that I decided I needed a change. I embarked on a journey to transform my life, not through expensive gym memberships or trendy diets, but through sheer determination and a commitment to a healthier lifestyle. It wasn't easy. In fact, it was incredibly challenging. But I refused to give up. Every morning, I started my day with a glass of alkaline water infused with lemon, honey, and a hint of turmeric. I began my fitness routine at home, dedicating 50 minutes every day to cardio exercises. I bid farewell to sugary treats, refined flours, oily foods, and street food. Instead, I embraced homemade meals and incorporated seasonal fruits into my diet. One of the most significant changes I made was incorporating walking into my routine. Walking, a low-impact exercise, became my best friend. It not only helped me shed pounds, but also boosted my metabolism, strengthened my muscles, and improved my cardiovascular health. So, if you're looking for an easy and effective way to kickstart your fitness journey, put on your shoes and start walking today. In my quest for a healthier lifestyle, I followed the 80-20 rule, 80% diet and 20% exercise. I avoided elevators when unnecessary and drank 3 to 4 liters of water daily. One crucial lesson I learned was the importance of using minimal salt and avoiding processed foods. Instead of indulging in store-bought sweets, I started baking my own treats at home, ensuring I knew exactly what went into them. But beyond the physical changes, fitness became more than just losing weight for me. It became a source of confidence and strength. For all the busy moms out there, dedicating even just an hour to yourself, perhaps through a leisurely walk, can make all the difference. Now let's address a common question that many people struggling with weight loss ask: why am I not losing weight? First and foremost, set a clear goal for yourself. Decide that you want to lose weight and commit to it wholeheartedly. Cut down on processed foods, junk food, sugary treats, alcohol, and smoking. Embrace homemade meals and include seasonal fruits in your diet. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy and dedicate at least 45 to 50 minutes to it every day. Remember, portion control is key. Chew your food slowly and focus on increasing your metabolism naturally. Most importantly, understand that change won't happen overnight. It takes hard work, belief in yourself, and patience. Additionally, regular checkups are essential, but always consult a doctor for proper guidance. In closing, I want to leave you with this thought: never waste food. It's not just about appreciating what you eat, but also respecting the resources that go into making that meal. So, if you're on your own journey to better health, remember these steps, believe in yourself, and don't give up. Subscribe my channel Coaching Quotes for more videos like this.